We're at Frisby again. It's a little socked in, but it's you can see good in these trees, and it's pretty deep where there's no tracks. But those old tracks are pretty hard. Oh yeah, it's nice in here.
I found more tracks and shit got a little western. I'm on the road, not the side of the trail I wanted to be on.
That's where we dropped down, just there. So it's good to know that there is a nicer way out of there rather than taking that little drainage. Not bad. Well, no.